Mmm. Oh, wow. Bago ako balin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga. Today's vlog, we are featuring Delizioso Pizza. Ayan guys, so 2020 has taught us a lot of things, has experienced us a lot of hardships and challenges, but for the people behind Delizioso, turned out good, no? Nagsimula po sila from serving their friends, their family, up until such a time that they were convinced that yung mga pagkain nga nila are, shareable and sellable. So it became a business. And right now, they have two branches. Meron po sila sa San Fernando and Mabalacat. Actually, meron po silang cakes and pizza. Check out these details here. So we're gonna open 6 pizza boxes. According dun sa label nila, they have like 9 flavors, but they sent us 6. So we're excited for sure. These are their best sellers. So starting off, ito yung kanilang Aloha Extreme. Ooh, Extreme. Super extreme, guys. This is absolutely extreme. Siguro tikman ko na habang mainit pa to. For San Fernando and Mabalacat area, I believe they are free delivery. Available din po sila sa Food Panda, so you can check them out. This is their Aloha Extreme. Ingredients, you have black olives, pineapple, cheese, pepperoni, bell pepper. This one extreme, loads and loads of cheese. First try, I'm really impressed. This is the meat supreme. And check that out. This is their meat supreme. Based on my observation, I think this has some pepperoni, ham, bologna, other meat bits. So this is really a meat supreme pizza. Okay, so let me get this one. And then for the meat lovers, yeah, they're gonna enjoy this. Wow. Perfect, super perfect. This is their cheese mania. So from the name itself, I'm guessing this is, the perfect choice for the cheese lovers. Let me open it. Oh yeah. For sure, it is cheese mania. Oh wow. At the end of the day, it's all about the taste, diba? Oh wow. Some are meat lovers. The cheese mania, this is available. Pizza Alfredo. Again, thank you so much, Delizioso's Pizza. Whoa! Okay. So, comparing it with the previous one, this has again loads of cheese. So for this one, I'm gonna taste it straight from the box, but it's still warm. Wow. Now for this one, it's a little bit sweet or creamy. Tapos yung meat natin is, I think this is a smoked ham, if I'm not mistaken, no? Amazing. Ooh. Wow, kinda like it now. We have 2 more boxes. Let me set aside this one here. This is again the Aloha flavor. This time it's Fiesta. Ano kayong difference niya dun sa nauna? Woo. So again, based on my observation, Aloha Extreme natin, which is the first one that we tested, has tons of cheese, loaded with cheese. And then this time, I think this is parang kumbaga, your regular Aloha pizza. Oh wow. Sobrang sulit, guys. For the last box, this is their Pizza 4. From their name itself, I'm guessing this is a 4 flavored pizza. Pero let's find out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, indeed. So yeah, this is a 4 flavored pizza. If you are yet unsure kung anong flavor ang kumbaga order nyo sa kanila, I think you're gonna go for this one. At least you're gonna have 4 variants or 4 flavors that you can choose from. Ano yung pipiliin ko? I'm gonna go for the first one. This is the Aloha Extreme. It has meat, it has the fruits and vegetables that we usually get now, and then super duper loaded with cheese. I kind of like that one. Now for orders, you can go to their fan page. We're gonna be providing the link. Again, more than a review, this is a highlight of their product. So again, if you are interested to know more about this, make sure to check out Delizioso Pizza. I'm gonna continue this one with my family. So thanks so much for watching. We're in Pampanga, guys. Keep safe. Peace out. Bye-bye.